Well, good morning, everyone. This is Steve from Rumble Auto. I'm sitting here in the 1992 Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. It's currently on auction on Bring a Trailer. We're going to do something I've never seen done on Bring a Trailer. People want to know if the air conditioning in this car works properly. This is an air conditioning gauge. It's a little hard to read, but it's roughly at 70 degrees as it sits right now, the control temperature. You can see the car is not on, and it hasn't been started today. I did make sure there's no vehicles in front of the car to give us a little better chance at the AC operating, but let's see what we can do. We'll get you some real readings. Okay, the car has been started. I'm now gonna turn on the AC system. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're watching the gauge, and we're gonna watch the gauge needle. The AC is now running. It takes a little time, but you'll see the gauge will start falling to show you that the air temperature is cooling. We just have to be a little bit patient. You can see it's now down to 60 degrees and still falling. Sorry it takes time, but this is the way this gauge operates. It says it takes from 3 to 5 minutes to give an accurate reading. I just want you guys to see that the temperature is falling steadily below ambient, which it is. We're now around 50 degrees, if I can read it correctly. Still falling. Read the instructions for these gauges. Anything between 40 and 50 degrees is pronounced healthy air conditioning. You can see we're still falling to 40 degrees, and it's very cold in the car. In fact, it's one of the colder air conditioning systems I've felt in a while. But we want the gauge to prove it. Engine's still cold. And there you have it. A completely healthy air conditioning system with a very cold temperature reading. Like I said, this might be a Bring a Trailer first, but I wanted to do it because I invested in this gauge exactly for reasons like this. So thanks to everybody for following along. Bid with confidence. This is an extremely nice Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. I think the next owner is going to be absolutely thrilled with it. Alright, thanks everyone. Let me know what other questions you have. If you'd like to see the car, it's available throughout the end of auction here in Issaquah at my dealership. Thanks so much, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.